Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to launch an e-commerce website. I'm here today with our e-commerce expert, Martin. Martin, can you tell us a little bit about what we're going to cover in this video?
Hi everyone, and thanks for having me. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of launching your own e-commerce website. We'll cover everything from defining your business model to designing your website and setting up your payment gateway. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to get your e-commerce business up and running.
Great! Let's start with the first step, which is defining your business model. Martin, can you walk us through what that means?
Sure thing. Defining your business model involves deciding what products or services you'll be selling, who your target audience is, and how you'll generate revenue. You'll need to think about your pricing strategy, your shipping and delivery options, and your payment gateway options. You'll also need to decide whether you'll be holding inventory or drop shipping your products.
That's a lot to think about. How do you recommend people go about making these decisions?
It can definitely be overwhelming, but it's important to take the time to really think through these decisions. You'll want to do some market research to understand what products are in demand and who your competitors are. You'll also want to think about your own strengths and passions and how you can leverage those to create a unique brand.
Once you've defined your business model, what's the next step?
The next step is to choose a domain name and web hosting provider. Your domain name should be easy to remember and reflective of your brand. You'll also need to choose a provider that offers reliable and secure hosting.
Can you recommend any specific providers?
Some popular web hosting providers include Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. These providers offer a range of plans to suit different needs and budgets.
Once you've chosen your domain name and web hosting provider, what's the next step?
The next step is to design your website. This is where you'll need to decide on your website layout, color scheme, and branding.
What if someone doesn't have any experience with web design?
If you're not familiar with web design, you can hire a professional designer or use a website builder like Wix or Squarespace. These platforms offer templates and drag-and-drop interfaces that make it easy to create a professional-looking website. It's important to ensure that your website is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for mobile devices.
Once you've designed your website, what's the next step?
The next step is to set up your e-commerce platform. There are several e-commerce platforms available, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. These platforms offer a range of features, including payment gateways, shipping and tax calculators, and inventory management tools.
How do you recommend choosing the right platform?
You'll need to choose a platform that best suits your business needs. You'll want to consider factors like pricing, ease of use, and the specific features you'll need for your business.
Once you've chosen your e-commerce platform, what's the next step?
The next step is to add your products and set up your payment gateway. You'll need to create product pages that include photos, descriptions, and pricing information. It's important to ensure that your product pages are clear and informative, and that they include all the information your customers need to make a purchase. You'll also need to set up your payment gateway, which is the system that processes payments for your website. There are several payment gateway options available, including PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. You'll want to choose a payment gateway that's secure, reliable, and easy for your customers to use.
Once you've added your products and set up your payment gateway, what's the final step?
The final step is to test and launch your website. You'll want to test your website thoroughly to ensure that everything is working properly, including your checkout process and payment gateway. You'll also want to ensure that your website is optimized for search engines, which will help your customers find you online. Once you're confident that everything is working as it should, you can launch your website and start promoting your business. You can use social media, email marketing, and other advertising channels to drive traffic to your website and generate sales.
Well, there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide to launching your own e-commerce website. Thanks so much to our expert, Martin, for walking us through the process.
My pleasure, and thanks for having me.
And thank you all for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.